How to install Windows Sandbox on Windows 11. You want to safely test apps or files. Here's how to install Windows Sandbox on Windows 11. First, make sure your PC meets the requirements. You need Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise or Education, and virtualization must be enabled in your BIOS. To check virtualization, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager, and under Performance, look for Virtualization and check if it's enabled or disabled. Next, go to Start, type Windows Features and click Turn Windows Features on or off. Scroll down, find Windows Sandbox and check the box and click OK. Windows will install the necessary files on its own, and once it's done, restart your PC. After rebooting, simply search Windows Sandbox in the Start menu and launch it, and now you have a secure, isolated environment to run anything without risking your main system. Thanks for watching.